This is the HiPipo Include Everyone program, a groundbreaking initiative bridging the digital and financial inclusion gap in the COMESA region. Robust365 is a cloud-based accounting software designed to help SMEs track income and expenses.
It helps small businesses to be able to manage their business finances by tracking their income and expenses. So it helps small business to be able to send invoices, quotations, and access a financial report for their businesses.
As part of the inaugural Women in FinTech Hackathon for Zambia and Malawi, the team conceptualized Robust Pay, a solution targeting SMEs that operate informally.
We came up with Robust365 because we realized that over 70% of SMEs in Africa operate in the informal sector. And the SMEs that are sometimes not even registered are the ones that contribute to most taxpayer, right? Because of the limited resources and understanding of how to keep your financial records. Most of these SMEs can't grow because of poor financial records being kept. And also the businesses in Africa and in Zambia specifically are cash-based. Again, we don't even know how to track our expenses. Like we talked earlier, we also don't even have the track records with the banks to actually provide loans. So if you want access to a loan, it's hard for you to get because you don't even have the track record.
I keep on referring to level 1 project design principles. So I can see this is for record keeping. Did you make any considerations as to what sort of aspects and as far as level 1 design principles are concerned?
Actually, we have started to work on Mojaloop integration because we believe due the affordability and instant payment, it work well for us because when our users they send their invoice to their customers, we expect them to be paid instantly via the button from the email that have been sent to their clients.
According to the team, the hackathon experience was eye-opening, particularly the training on Mojaloop.
We want clearing to happen in under 1 second. So if I'm going to send money to you, it must arrive on the other side in 1 second. You know, there's examples like if you get into a minibus or something like that, you just want the transaction to happen then and there. You don't want to have to be waiting. Oh no, it hasn't gone through. We want all FSPs, like all financial service providers, to be enabled. So we want banks, we want mobile money operators, we want microfinance institutions all to be on the platform.
I just enjoyed the session. This is a session where I can say that we've been waiting for it for a long time for some of us, especially for the Mojaloop.
They described the mentors and facilitators as top-notch.
I've really enjoyed the hackathon very much. First of all, I got to interact with a lot of other women in FinTech. The mentors were just one of the top. I really enjoyed and really learned a lot.
Apart from yourself, also who's around you? Who's in your team? Who are you working with? Are you working with others who have skills that you don't have, or others who have skills that complement your business, for example? That's a good one. If you're a solo founder or there's only 2 of you in the business, again, you take advantage of advisors who have more experience, who you can see that these are people who we lean on when we are making strategic decisions.
I think as a startup, the best idea you can have is try to incorporate working with students who are studying in that particular field. A lot of young people are looking for experience. So you can ask a 4th year, 3rd year accounting student to intern for you. Yeah, more startups need to think along that line to say there are a lot of young people in universities and they do not have access to internships for a lot of parts of your business. You can have these young people come in and package yourself in a way that it's beneficial for them. And if it's virtual, anyone would be so willing to work for you.
Thank you so much for that. Yes, that's something that more businesses, whether established, growth stage, pre-seed, should take advantage of. It's something that we also started doing this year. I know we're a few months in, but we work with university students virtually, of course, 2nd or 3rd year. It also helps even with the workloads that we have as well.
My take home would be the power of networking and cross-border trading. I think we don't do that enough in Africa, and so grateful that COMESA and HiPipo put us together with Malawian people to just learn and interact and also see how best we can collaborate and partner.
The team expressed their deep gratitude to the organizers of the hackathon because such opportunities are rare in Africa.
We are grateful for CBC, HiPipo, and Gates Foundation for putting this event together and bringing us together to learn, meet new people, and network amongst ourselves and cross borders. Hi, people!
With generous support from the Gates Foundation and in partnership with COMESA Business Council, HiPipo is empowering communities to ensure inclusion and shared benefits for everyone.